11 free things cruise lines don't tell you about. Picture this. You're sitting by the pool on day 3 of your cruise, watching other passengers pay $15 for a bottle of water, $25 for a basic massage, and $40 for kids' activities, while you're enjoying all of these same services completely free. The difference? You know the secrets that cruise lines prefer to keep quiet because they'd rather sell you expensive alternatives. Here's the truth. Cruise ships are loaded with complimentary services, amenities, and experiences that most passengers never discover. We're talking about genuine freebies that could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per cruise. Some of these are buried in fine print. Others are available but never advertised. And a few? Well, they're services that cruise lines provide but hope you'll pay for the premium versions instead. After more than 55 cruises and countless conversations with crew members who've shared these insider secrets, I'm about to reveal 11 completely free things that cruise lines don't want you to know about. Some of these will shock you. Others will make you slap your forehead, wondering why nobody told you sooner. Before we dive into these money-saving secrets, hit that subscribe button because cruise lines are constantly adding new free services while quietly removing others, and you don't want to miss these updates. Free thing number 1, unlimited filtered water throughout the ship. This is the big one that could save your family $200+ per cruise. While cruise lines push expensive bottled water and beverage packages, they're required to provide free drinking water throughout the ship. And I'm not talking about questionable tap water. Most modern cruise ships have sophisticated water filtration systems that produce drinking water that's often cleaner than what you get at home. But here's what they don't tell you. There are free water stations throughout the ship where you can fill your own bottles with this filtered water. I discovered this on Royal Caribbean when I saw crew members filling their water bottles at a station near the buffet. When I asked about it, they showed me similar stations on every deck. The water tastes great, it's completely free, and you can fill up as many times as you want. The trick is knowing where to find these stations. They're usually near buffet areas, by pool decks, in fitness centers, and sometimes hidden in crew service areas that passengers can access. Don't be shy about asking crew members. They'll point you to the nearest free water station. Some ships even have flavored water stations with cucumber, lemon, or mint-infused options. It's basically what you'd pay $4 to $6 for at a spa, available free all day long. Free thing number 2, professional babysitting services with conditions. This one could save families with young children hundreds of dollars per cruise. Most cruise lines offer several hours of free professional childcare daily, but they market it so poorly that most parents never find out about it. Here's how it works. Cruise lines provide free supervised kids' activities for potty-trained children, typically from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. We're talking about professional youth counselors running structured activities, crafts, games, and entertainment that would cost $50+ per day at a resort. But here's the secret part. Many cruise lines also offer free evening babysitting for children who participate in the daytime programs. If your kids join the kids club during the day, evening care is often complimentary until 10 or 11 p.m. I met a family on Celebrity who was paying $30 per hour for private babysitting, not knowing that their 4- and 6-year-old qualified for free evening care because they'd been in the kids program earlier that day. The catch is that availability is limited and you need to sign up early. But if you can get your kids enrolled, you're looking at free childcare that would cost $200 to $400 per week at a resort. Free thing number 3, complimentary room service during specific hours. Most passengers think room service costs extra on cruises, but here's what cruise lines don't advertise. Basic room service is completely free during certain hours, and some items are free 24/7. Continental breakfast room service is free on almost every cruise line. Coffee, tea, pastries, fruit, and basic breakfast items can be delivered to your cabin at no charge. This is perfect for early morning port days when you want to eat in your cabin before excursions. But here's the bigger secret. Many cruise lines offer free room service for specific menu items throughout the day. Simple sandwiches, salads, fruit plates, and beverages are often available at no charge if you know what to order. I discovered this when I was feeling seasick and called room service expecting to pay delivery fees. They brought soup, crackers, and tea with no charge because these items were on the complimentary comfort menu that they never publicize. The key is asking specifically about free room service options when you call. Don't just order from the full menu. Ask what's available at no charge. Free thing number 4, unlimited use of sports and recreation equipment. Cruise ships have thousands of dollars worth of sports equipment available for free use, but they hide it so well that most passengers never find it. We're talking about basketball courts, tennis rackets, ping pong paddles, deck games, and fitness equipment. The basketball and tennis courts are usually free during open play hours. Equipment rental is complimentary. You just need to ask guest services or the sports deck attendant. I've seen passengers pay for shore excursion sports activities when identical equipment was available free on the ship. Pool games, deck shuffleboard, mini golf, and outdoor fitness equipment are all free. Some ships have rock climbing walls, surf simulators, and zip lines with no additional charges during certain hours. The secret is asking guest services for the sports equipment schedule and reservation process. They'll provide equipment and sometimes even basic instruction at no charge. Free thing. Number 5, educational lectures and classes. This is where cruise lines offer incredible value that most passengers completely miss. Many ships feature guest lecturers, educational workshops, and skill-building classes that would cost $50 to $200 per session at home. I've attended free lectures by historians, marine biologists, wine experts, investment advisors, and travel writers. These aren't brief presentations. They're often hour-long sessions with expert-level content that you'd pay premium prices for on land. Cooking demonstrations, art classes, dance lessons, computer workshops, and language classes are often free during sea days. Some ships bring aboard college professors, published authors, and industry experts who provide free educational programming. The trick is checking the daily schedule carefully and asking guest services about upcoming educational programming. These sessions are often scheduled during non-peak hours when entertainment venues would otherwise be empty. Free thing number 6, extensive library and reading services. Most cruise ships have substantial libraries with thousands of books, magazines, newspapers, and sometimes even digital media access, all completely free. But cruise lines barely promote these services because they'd rather sell you expensive internet packages for entertainment. Ship libraries often have recent bestsellers, travel guides, classic literature, and magazines from around the world. Some have comfortable reading areas with ocean views that rival expensive spa relaxation areas. Here's what most passengers don't know. Many ship libraries also offer free newspaper printing services. You can request printed copies of major newspapers from your home city, delivered to the library daily. I've seen passengers pay $15 for international newspapers at port shops when the same papers were available free in the ship's library. Some libraries also have free computer and internet access for basic needs like checking email or printing boarding passes. It's limited time and basic service, but it's free. Free thing number 7, medical and wellness consultations. This one surprised me the most. While cruise ship medical centers charge premium prices for treatments, many offer free wellness consultations, health screenings, and preventive care services that most passengers never hear about. Free blood pressure checks, basic health consultations, and wellness advice are often available during specific hours. Some ships offer free talks by medical professionals about travel health, seasickness prevention, and general wellness topics. I discovered this when I was concerned about a minor health issue and expected to pay $200 for a consultation. The medical center offered a free 15-minute wellness check that addressed my concerns without any charges. The key is asking specifically about complimentary wellness services versus paid medical treatments. Many ships have nurse practitioners who provide free basic consultations during designated hours. Free thing number 8, professional photography services, partial. While cruise ship photography packages are expensive, most cruise lines offer some free photography services that they don't advertise. Professional photographers will take free photos in certain locations during specific times. Embarkation day photos are often free. Not the prints, but you can take pictures of the digital previews with your phone when they are displayed. Some ships offer free group photos at captain's receptions or special events. Here's the secret. Ask photographers about complimentary sessions or no-obligation shoots. Many will take free photos with your own camera or phone, especially during slow periods. I've gotten professional quality photos by asking photographers to use my phone during their setup for paid shoots. Most are happy to take a few quick shots with your device while they're already set up. Free thing number 9, personalized concierge and planning services. Cruise lines employ guest services staff who function as personal concierges, but most passengers only use them for basic questions. These professionals can provide extensive free trip planning, reservation assistance, and personalized service that would cost hundreds at a resort. Guest services can help plan your entire cruise itinerary, make restaurant reservations, coordinate shore excursions, arrange special celebrations, and even provide detailed port information and recommendations. I had guest services plan my entire Caribbean cruise itinerary, including restaurant timing, show reservations, and port activity suggestions. The level of personalized service was incredible, and it was completely free. They'll also help coordinate special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays, Free cake delivery, room decorations, and celebration planning are often available if you ask the right person. Free thing number 10, unlimited internet access in specific locations. While cruise ship Wi-Fi is notoriously expensive, most ships have free internet access in certain locations that cruise lines don't publicize because they'd rather sell you cabin internet packages. Internet cafes, libraries, and sometimes public areas near guest services often have free Wi-Fi for brief usage. The connection might be limited to 15 to 30 minutes at a time, but you can often reconnect multiple times throughout the day. Some ships offer free internet access during specific hours or in certain locations as a courtesy service. The key is asking guest services about complimentary internet availability rather than assuming you need to buy a package. I've managed to stay connected throughout entire cruises using just the free internet options by planning my usage around available free access times and locations. Free thing number 11, exclusive access to hidden ship areas. This is the most exclusive freebie that almost nobody knows about. Most cruise ships offer free behind-the-scenes tours, crew area visits, and access to normally restricted ship areas if you know how to ask. Galley tours, bridge visits, backstage theater access, and crew area tours are often available for free during specific times. These tours provide incredible insights into ship operations and access to areas that would be impossible to see otherwise. I've gotten free tours of ship kitchens, engine rooms, and even the captain's bridge by asking guest services about educational ship tours or behind-the-scenes experiences. The trick is asking during non-peak times and expressing genuine interest in ship operations, rather than just wanting a cool experience. Crew members love sharing their work with interested passengers. The pattern behind these freebies. Looking at all these free services, there's a clear pattern. Cruise lines provide these amenities because they are required by regulations, they improve passenger satisfaction, or they keep people on the ship spending money elsewhere. But they don't advertise them because they'd rather sell you premium alternatives. Why promote free babysitting when they can sell private babysitting services? Why highlight free room service when they want you buying specialty restaurant packages? How to access these free services. The key to accessing these freebies is knowing how to ask. Don't walk up to guest services and demand free stuff. Instead, ask about complimentary services, included amenities, or no-charge options. Phrase your requests as questions. What free activities are available for children? Are there any complimentary room service options? Do you offer any free wellness services? Most crew members are happy to help once they understand you're asking about legitimate free services, not trying to get something for nothing. The timing strategy. Many of these free services are available during specific times when demand is low. Free tours happen during port days when most passengers are off the ship. Free consultations are available during sea days when medical staff has lighter schedules. Ask about timing when requesting these services. You might need to be flexible with your schedule, but the savings can be substantial. The bottom line. Cruise lines are businesses, and they make money by selling premium services, but they also provide extensive complimentary amenities that can dramatically reduce your cruise costs if you know about them. These aren't hacks or ways to cheat the system. They're legitimate services that cruise lines provide but don't actively promote. Taking advantage of them is smart cruise planning, not taking advantage of the cruise line. The difference between passengers who spend $3,000 on a cruise and those who spend $5,000 often isn't the cabin or cruise line they chose. It's whether they knew about these free alternatives to expensive services. What you should do next. Start with guest services on embarkation day. Ask specifically about complimentary services and amenities. Get a comprehensive list of free activities, classes, and services available during your cruise. Don't be embarrassed about asking for free options. Cruise lines expect these questions, and guest services staff are trained to provide information about all available services. Most importantly, remember that using these free services often leads to better cruise experiences, not just cost savings. Free kids programs mean happier children. Free educational lectures mean more interesting sea days. Free concierge services mean better planned vacations. What free cruise services have you discovered that most passengers don't know about? Have you found complimentary amenities that saved you money on your cruises? Share your free cruise discoveries in the comments below, because other cruisers need to know about these hidden gems. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise money-saving secrets that the cruise lines prefer to keep quiet. Until next time, cruise smart and always ask about the freebies.